golden. There's only so much holding on. You can't take when your mind's at stake. Oh wait, do what you gotta do.
Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back again to the channel. It's still your favorite person, Cyndy CJAY, and welcome to a new vlog. Please subscribe to my channel, please. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe and be a part of this beautiful family. Okay, so guys, I just came back from my GP. I didn't plan doing any video now. I didn't plan doing any vlog. I just came back from the GP, and the thing is, I finished quite on time. What I wanted to do, I thought it was something that was going to take like 30 minutes ish, but immediately I got there, they called me in, and before 5-10 minutes I was done. So I didn't want to come back home immediately, and I said, what will I do with my little time that I have? And there's a home bargain shop around there, so I just said, let me just walk around and see if I can buy one or two. So let me now show you guys one or two that I bought. I wanted to order these four. So this is a Fox 4 rug, 60 to 90 cm. Can you guys see? Yeah. So I wanted to order. Okay, yeah, see the bolder one. So I wanted to order this on Shein. I think I saw it on Shein for £7 or no, £8. Either £7 or £8 on Shein. So I wanted to order it on Shein, but when I now saw it in Home Bargain, I was like, I might as well just buy it since I've already seen it real life in Home Bargain. So this is what it's looking like. This is the shape. It has this shape. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah. So I bought this in Home Bargain for £7.99. That's £8. And I bought this bathroom non-slip super sponge bath mat. Yeah, so let me open it and see what is given. So I bought all these things in Home Bargain. So it has this suction thingy that sticks on the bathtub. This is quite wide. What's the length? Okay, 43 to 91, 43 by 91 cm. 43 by 91 cm. It's really long and it's non-slip. I like it. It mat for £2.99. I bought it for £2.99. And I saw this cute cup that says mom. Can you guys see? I like the cup. I bought this cup for, where is the mug? I bought it for £1.99. And I recently bought a very a very funny cup. The day I bought that cup, I was with Ades. Ades was like, Mommy, why are you buying this cup? Let me show you guys the cup. Yeah, so this was the cup. This one, bad girl, can you guys see? So the day I bought this cup, Adeza was like, Mommy, why are you buying this cup? Mommy, you're not a bad girl, so why are you buying this cup? I thought, I know I'm not a bad girl, but the write-up is just funny to me. So yeah, so I bought this one. I can't even remember the shop where I bought it. That was like 2 weeks ago. And then this is one I bought today in Home Bargain. This one written mom. I'm sure if she comes back from school and I show her, see the cup I bought, oh, she'll be so happy, because this was the type of cup she expected me to buy, and not that bad girl one. So I bought this one for £2. I bought this turntable organizers. I have this like 2, but I need another one. Is it 2 or even 3 that I have? I know I have one in my kitchen where I organize my spices. So I just bought this one for, how much did we buy it? I bought this one for kitchen storage turntable, £2.49 each. So this one £2.49, this one £2.49. I bought 2. Okay, so you put whatever you want to put. This one is, what is this one? I thought they can collapse it. The one I have is high. This one is just too flat. I don't know, Shaba, I'll figure it out. So if you put maybe your spices, your makeup, whatever, you see, once you want to pick, instead of where is this one, choking your head in the cupboard, you can just turn the ones at the back will come to the front and pick whatever you want to pick. Can you guys see? But the thing that is confusing me now is the ones I have, they're really tall. I don't know why this one is just too flat. For use in a cupboard, fridge, or on a worktop to quickly and easily locate items. So 25 cm dimension. This one is, oh, I'm not happy that I got this thing now because it's not what I wanted. It was not what I had in mind. I was thinking it was kind of deep. Let me show you guys the one in my kitchen. You see this one? This is one I put my spices in my kitchen. Can you guys see? So it's kind of tall. So this one in my kitchen is kind of deep. Can you guys see? It's deep, like, you know what I mean, yeah? But this one is just too thin. Can you see? Can you see? I'm not happy I bought this thing now, and I even bought it too. I was thinking if I press it in, that it will come up, but I don't know. Yeah, so this was what I had in mind. So I bought this Schwarzkopf hair mousse. The hair mousse I have in my house, I've been using it for a very long time. Hey! And thank God it has finished. So I bought a new one. Then I saw this squeezable pink stuff paste. So I said the one I have is the cup one. Let me show you. So this is one I normally use, this cup one. But when I saw this squeezable one, I said, let me try this squeezable one and see. Yeah, so pink stuff. Can you guys see pink stuff? I also bought my usual lip balm. I use this lip balm a lot. So I think I'm on the last one now from the last ones I bought. So I bought a new lip balm. And I also bought this sticky note block. I use this thing a lot. I use it to plan myself, to plan my day, to stay organized. So the one I have, I think I'm on the last color now. So I bought a fresh one. So you guys know this stuff now, yeah? Just you write whatever you want to write. So yeah. What again did I buy? I saw this pimple whatever, salicylic acid and hydrocolloid simple patch, transparent, anti-blemish dot, blah blah blah. I have a pimple patch. I don't even know where it is. It's been long. I bought that, but I've not used it. I don't even know if it's still in date or out of date. So I saw this clear one. Can you guys see? I just bought it because I have this pimple here. I don't know if you guys can see it. I have this pimple here, so I'll just stick it on it and see what happens. The last time I bought the pimple patch is a colorful one. I think it's yellow color. So I've not even used that one, and it has been there for a long time. So I just bought this clear one. And what again? Yeah, I bought this Ziploc bag. So it's 15 Ziploc food freezer bag, and this one is in size large. So the large ones I have, they're all in my freezer. I use them to store food in my freezer. So I just bought this one to keep, just in case I have need for a big Ziploc. I have a lot of Ziploc in my cupboard. How come this thing is large? They said it's large. I was thinking it was like large, like extra large. I have this size here now. I didn't even know it was this size. I still want to buy. This is not large to me. When I saw large, I was thinking it was. So this is the old one I have. So this is the size I was going for, or even something bigger than this, and not this. You see the difference? Can you see? Are you guys seeing the difference? Let me straighten it for you. See? So this my old one is bigger than this new one I bought. And I have this size already. Let me show you. This size, I have it already. This one is medium. So it's written medium. That's the one I have previously. medium, and this one is large. Let me see. The difference is not really much, it's just like 1 inch, difference from this one. Can you guys see? Just like 1 inch difference. Anywho, so yeah, these are the things I just bought from Home Bargain. So I'm so happy about this for you guys. What I bought this for is just for maybe when I'm doing unboxing. You guys know we do a lot of unboxing reviews in this channel. So maybe if I'm doing an unboxing that I just need to keep the thing flat on a surface to show you guys, I'll just spread this for on a surface and then drop whatever thing I'm unboxing to show you guys. Okay, so yeah, I'll talk to you guys later.
One hour later.
So guys, I got a few things from Temu recently. This right here is a hanger for kitchen roll. This is what it is, like so. I'll fix it. When I fix it, I'll show you guys. I got this food bag just to Maybe if I feel like taking food for work to work, I'll just pack my flags here and then take to work. And then I bought this water bag too. The strap of this one is inside. That's the strap. So I bought two, because this is water bottle my kids take to school. This is their school water bottle, so sometimes they just hold it in their hand like this. If you guys have seen the vlogs, you must have seen them holding it in the hand. So I got tired of them holding it in their hand, so I decided to order this bag from Temu, and they'll just throw the water bottle inside and then carry it like this. Carry it on their shoulder or crossbody. Yeah. So I just saw it, I liked it, and I bought it. Apron. I bought this cooking apron. So that sometimes when I'm in the kitchen cooking, because sometimes I might just come back from work, or maybe come back from outing or somewhere, and I quickly want to cook something up before taking off my clothes. And sometimes splashes of water gets to splash on whatever I'm wearing. So with this apron, I can just wear it on, do whatever I want to do, and that's it. It's really long. It's so long. I don't want to stand up right now because I'm so tired. So I also got this thing. So in here I have cutlery holder. I think it's in pieces. It's something I need to fix. Let's see. Ooh. Oh god. So I will need to set it up, but it's something like this, and then I hang it on my wall, and then I'll be hanging my spoons, my cutleries, everything on the wall. But so I think we stick this on the wall and then hook it up. All right, yeah. So just like to show you guys. Okay, there I am.
What's wrong? Why did you laugh?
Somebody did not laugh at me. Right, I've just installed this one, the hanger, the kitchen roll. I used to have it in this, but I think I'll take this to the dining, or I don't know.
Yes, take it to the
Put
dining.
this one underneath. Right. I think it's easy for them not to put installation kit. I feel it's easy to install them.
That's why do you keep on saying what the?
Take your food and go. Yeah, come on, go.
Hi guys.
So, carry your custard.